Good day to all prospective employers here in Hong Kong. My name is Jean S. Procasio from Philippines, 37 years old, married, and have one kid, 6 years old boy. I am a Christian. I am a high school graduate, but I took a giver course way back 2012. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am fourth in the family. My previous jobs is I work as a DH in Qatar way back 2015 to 2017. They are 4 family members there, 2 adults and 2 children aged 4 and 7 when I started. My duties there is taking care of children, cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and car washing. I am currently here in Hong Kong working as a DH. They are 4 family members here also, 2 adults, 2 children aged 3 and 5 when I started, and 1 husky dog. My duties here is taking care of children, sending and picking up to and from school, cooking, cleaning, marketing, tutoring, and taking care of 1 husky dog. Thank you and God bless.